Ready to turn website visitors into loyal customers with a powerful, yet easy task live chat and chatbot platform? Let's dive into Tidio. First, let's explore the heart of Tidio, the inbox. This is where you'll manage all incoming messages, assign them to team members, and keep track of customer interactions. Notice the unread message indicator. Click here to respond. Now, for some automation magic, Tidio's visual chatbot editor allows you to create automated conversations. Simply drag and drop different blocks to build custom flows for greetings, answering facts, and even qualifying leads. Make Tidio feel like an extension of your brand. Customize the chat widget's appearance. Tailor the color scheme. Choose a strategic placement on your website, and craft a welcome message that resonates with your audience. Tidio plays well with others, seamlessly integrated with your favorite platforms such as Shopify, WordPress, and even Facebook Messenger, to streamline your workflow and centralize customer communication. Remember, the key to success with Tidio is proactive engagement. Use targeted messages to offer assistance, provide helpful information, and build meaningful relationships with your website visitors. This will convert to happy customers who stay longer. So go ahead and harness the power of Tidio and elevate your customer support game. More helpful videos can be found on our channel. Like and subscribe for more content.